Hi guys, welcome back to the all new episode of Monetize. I'm going to record a quick review on Bitcoin. It made a low of 43,000 a couple of days back and has risen back to 51,000. So many of my friends are asking me whether it's the time to buy or not. They are getting into FOMO, the fear of missing out. The best way to keep your emotions in control is to consult the charts. Let's do it. Let's check the technical setup of Bitcoin on the charts. I'm starting with the daily time frame and I've already marked my levels. I'm not repeating the exercise because I've marked the same levels in my previous video. So the levels remain the same. We are just checking the setup. Instead of daily, let me switch to weekly ones. So these are the major levels. This these two upper lines, the first one and the second one, are now acting as resistance, and the line below is acting as support. And we still have bearish divergence, no signs against, and MACD histograms are still pointing downwards. So scenario clear on the weekly chart. I'm removing the drawings and switching back to daily. On the daily, as per the charts, I do not see any buy setup at the current levels. See, basically, there are two different kind of uh, like methods you can adopt. Number one, if you are doing it as an investment for a long term purpose, if your perspective is long term, then you can buy on dips. Whatever levels, whenever you are getting a dip, you can start buying. But if you are looking into a short term perspective, you want to make some quick money, then it's actually not the right time to buy at the current levels. Let me explain why. The top, the second high, so it's a lower high. Then apart from this, we broke this support and made a new low. So what's the pattern like? This pattern is totally bearish. It's making lower highs and lower lows. So what do we need? We need a break above the previous high to change the bearish pattern. I'm removing all the lines, and just a second, let me mark the downtrend line. Okay, now to turn bullish, I need at least a break above this falling trend line. Number one, a break above this resistance. Number two, and a break above this high. No signs, no bullish scenario on the charts at the moment. Neither it has broken above this horizontal resistance nor the falling trend line, and this high is still like far off. So I don't think the price is ready to bounce immediately from this area. In fact, what I can see, if this resistance holds or this one holds, I can see it going down towards the next zone, which is around 43, 42. So guys, as per weekly, as per daily, we do not have any bullish scenario. Let's check on one more lower time frame, which is 4 hours. What's going on 4 hours? It's again a bearish scenario. Let me explain how. This is the area of resistance. This is the area of resistance. A massive area. Number one. Number two, a lower low pattern on MACD, a lower low pattern on RSI, and now it's making a hidden bearish as well. What is hidden bearish? When the price is going lower, but MACD is going higher. So this is hidden bearish divergence, which means the continuation of downtrend. So as per 4 hour, we don't have any bullish scenario. So this was the quick update from my side. In fact, I'm looking to the price of 43.42 reaching very soon. One second. I want to show you one more thing. A break of this trend line and a break of this low will push the price lower immediately. Alright guys, I hope it brings some clarity to you.